Arctic Cessna. That's on the 3-cell, isn't it?
Yeah, that's all I'm using now.
You haven't flown it on... Did you fly it on a 2-cell down the gap or not?
No, it was a 3. I haven't used the 3-cell at all.
No. Pants. Really?
Oh, don't know, is it?
Yeah. It flies around like that. God, fucking hell, that wing! Jesus!
What about the wing?
Flexed like a good one, didn't it?
That's the blue, is it?
Oh. Yeah, I wouldn't pull too many G's with that. Christ.
Is it flexing on the right or the left?
I thought it went. I thought the wing had gone.
I did hear a crack in the car actually because it got stuck on the boot.
Did you?
Yeah.
Do you want to investigate or not?
No.
Okay. Where are we? There we are. Don't know if I can pause this. No, you can. Paper shit. At least that BA Hawk's nothing like that Park's Spitfire to land.
Well, what was wrong with that?
Well, it doesn't hold its line, it's rubbish. It just stalls.
It stalls too quickly, you need to come
Yeah.
in faster.
Yeah, and it's too quick for a model like that. I mean, it's sort of intermediate, isn't it? Don't want to be doing that.
It's
Like,
very stable, Josh.
oh, the Cessna.
Yeah.
Oh, it is. Yeah.
It's like a baby. I've
Yeah.
got all the rates off now.
Oh, I can see that. Look at the way. It's more like a Cessna Aerobat. Right, I might have to just stop this now because it's probably getting a bit boring.
Yeah, it's alright, I'm going to bring it in.
Are you going to bring her
What do
in?
you mean boring? How can you say that?
Make sure you watch the post. That's it. Nice speed. Nice pass. It looks quite good with the little spinner, doesn't it? Coming in there.
No.
What's the old sun? That's it. You want to come around like that? You alright there? Bit of power, that's it. It's looking good, looking good. That's all right, you got. Sweet!
It's easy.
Nice.